So now that we've looked at how to use a lot of these pieces, let's see how some of them can work together. So things like the Logitech Meetup and the Logitech Connect, these are kind of all-in-one devices, but you may want to put some other things into your mix as well. So in this example, we'll show you how to add the Jabra Speaks. We'll add on a webcam as well. We'll also show you how to add in a second device, such as a tablet or a smartphone, which you can use as a second camera or even a digital whiteboard as well. So first we'll connect our speakers. So these will be both our microphone and speaker in the classroom. I'll turn these on. Like we showed in the instructional video, we have the USB plugged into our computer. So I'm going to have this one turned on, and I'll turn this one on as well to link. And we'll link these. So I've got that one searching.
Place another Jabra Speak 750 nearby and tap its link button to link them together.
And then I'll use the link button on this one. So we now have our speakers set up. These are linked. So we can put these anywhere around the room. I'll just put mine here. So now we're going to link those up on Teams. We'll go to our three dots, the device settings, scroll down to microphone. We'll set that up as the Jabra. And we'll go to our speaker and we'll set that up as the Jabra. And then we're going to change now our webcam here. So we want to have the webcam working. So we can go to the camera here, select the drop down, go to the Microsoft Live webcam, and I will turn my webcam on. So we have the webcam set up, we have our Jabras as our speakers and microphone. And now I'll show you that, with a tablet or with a smartphone, we can actually create either a second camera or a digital whiteboard. So what I've done here on this iPad is just logged into Teams, and I've logged into this meeting as myself again. The first thing I'll show you is just setting this up as a secondary camera. So you might want a mobile camera if you want to go around, show students work or things like that. So in Teams here, we'll go to the share button down the bottom. And you've got a few options. For this version, we're going to select share video, and it's going to ask us to start presenting. So we select that, and now you can see this is coming up on the computer as well through the screen there, and we can sort of walk around with this and use this as a secondary camera. When you're ready to stop, just click stop presenting. And now maybe one thing you might want to do as well is sort of create a bit of a digital whiteboard. So in this case, I'm going to click the share button again, and I'm going to share the screen of the iPad. It's going to ask me to start broadcast. So it gives you a bit of a countdown before you do that, and you'll see now it's running. So if I tap out of this, and now basically you're just sharing your iPad screen. So you can use your iPad in a myriad of different ways. You may have particular apps that you want to use. In this case, I'm just going to scroll out and go into my notes. So in notes here, we can just press the pencil button there. We get up our pencils and we can start drawing. So we can go 1 + 1 equals whatever you need to do. And that will show up in Teams as well because you're sharing your screen. So it's quite a handy mobile way to have a digital whiteboard in the classroom. So I'll go back out, and I'm just going to stop presenting. Press OK. And so now we're back to the normal view. We've got the webcam going, we've got the speakers, and we can go back to the iPad if we need to. But that's just one sort of simple setup that you can use, fairly easy to put together. We've got the Jabras and we have the webcam from AV Loans. You can bring your own tablet or smartphone and use that as a secondary camera. But there are many different ways you can approach concurrent teaching using the different tech. So if there is something around this that you think is interesting, you want to discuss some other possibilities or alternatives, please do contact us at the DSC Learning and Teaching team. Our email will be here for you, and we're happy to consult with you on any of your needs.